Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Anantapur location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for sales executive for the organization Skies Adobe Plus. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed. And if you see the skill set, roles and responsibilities, you should be able to do apartment sales. You should lead follow-up, site visit handling. You should understand customer requirements, matching their product with customer requirements. You should daily assess the reports and MIS of your team and generate reports. You should generate and closing deals with the help of manager. You are responsible for the entire end-to-end sales cycle of the project. You should build relationship with clients for smooth sales. You should have a convincing and influential skills. You should able to organize sales visit. Attractive incentives and a good salary hike will be given. No field work. You should able to handle office visiting clients. Any pre-sales executive or customer care or sales executive who had experience in apartment sales can apply. Candidates who are willing to relocate to Anantapur will be preferred. To apply for the job role sales executive, you have to share your resume at the provided email ID, that is kalpana@skysadobe.com. Next, there is a job openings for Service Delivery Officer Branch Banking for the organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed. And if you see the skill set, roles and responsibilities, you should be able to handle personalized service request of customers. You should generate timely business MIS. You should make sure strict adherence to compliance, audit and regulatory requirements for customer segment. You should coordinate with CPC, RPC, investment desk for account opening of customers. You should manage complaints of customers and ensure their resolution within TAT. You should develop and maintain banking relationships with a select group of high net worth customers. You should have excellent communication skills with customer service orientation. You should be courteous and polite. You should have a knowledge of Microsoft Excel. So these are all the skill set and responsibilities and roles. To apply for the job role, you have to browse official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank organization given here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Gold Loan or Relationship Officer, Loans Against Gold Marketing Branches Operations for the organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed. And if you see the skill set, roles and responsibilities, you should ensure gold loan targets of the branch are met month on month. You should ready to move in market and generate gold loan leads. You should make sure smooth process of gold loan is done at the branch. You should make sure they maintain good relations at branch level, BM, BOM, RM, RO and service staff. You should always be market and competition savvy. You should maintain 100% maintaining compliance of processing gold loan. You should have a maintenance of gold loan registers at the branch level. You should be able to identify new assets for the branch and you should maintain 3 assets for each branch. Proper documentation of gold loan and see that it has FPT first pass authorization. To maintain zero NPA of the branch, TAT to be maintained while processing the gold loan or closure of gold loan. Closure documents to be sent to CPC Chennai within HO specified period, that is head office will be specified a period. Within that you have to send closure documents. You should make sure weighing machine balance and other agreements are renewed on time. To apply for the job role, you have to browse official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank organization given here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for the organization Lotus Kids School. They are looking for teacher positions. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. Should have a good English communication skills, and this is for primary classes. You can call between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on the given phone number, that is 7729800998. For further details, you can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is a job openings for a manager position for billing counter. Should have a good computer knowledge and accounting skills for a restaurant located in Anantapur town. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. The contact number is 8179820400. Next, there is a job openings for Airtel showroom. They are looking for sales executive. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum qualification is 10th pass or fail, and this is for Anantapuram district. Salary offered minimum 10,000 along with incentives. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7624994819. Next, there is a job openings for service officer or a rural branches service for the organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum qualification is MBA or graduation. Skill set and roles and responsibilities if we go through. Redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, general information. You should make sure speed and accuracy of transaction. Exploitation of other business opportunities censored. You should provide quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. You should have handled SO profile to apply for the job role. You can browse official careers web page of Kotak Mahindra Bank organization given here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Assistant Acquisition Manager, CASA or L sales for the organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum qualification is graduation and experience if you see freshers or graduate with appropriate experience, at least 1 year of experience in liability sales preferred. Preference will be given to the experienced candidates in liability sales. And if you see the skill set, roles and responsibilities, acquisition of new client NTB through external individual efforts for current account, savings account products of the bank, customers to be sourced from individuals, small businesses, trusts, associations, societies, corporates. You should able to make sure revenue generation, customer acquisition, customer retention, cost efficiency through adherence to products, process and regulatory requirements, handhold acquired customers for the initial 3-month period to deepen relationship values before passing it to the branch banking team. You should maintain average quarterly balance. You should conduct regular promotional customer events to generate leads. You should cross-sell of MF, gold, insurance and asset products to apply for the job role. You have to browse official careers web page of Kotak Mahindra Bank organization given here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Relationship Manager, Rural Housing and Business Loans, Marketing Branches Operations for the organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed. And if you see the skill set, roles and responsibilities, you should manage sales and distribution through the cross-channel and open market channels. You should ensure unilateral growth by adding new DSS branches. You should manage and grow the direct sales team and focus on increased productivity. You should marketing and encashing catchment areas. You should make sure meeting HNI clients and explaining various products related to loan against property or HF. Responsible for builder relations and builder tie-ups to focus on primary markets. You are responsible for project approvals of builders. You should ensure additional revenue generation through cross-sell, multi-selling of insurance, CASA, credit cards, etc. You should make sure training and development of the DST teams and DSS. Liaising with internal teams of business like credit, legal, technical, RCU and operations to apply for the job role. You have to browse official careers web page of Kotak Mahindra Bank organization given here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Business Relationship Manager, salaried planned working capital sales for the organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Salary details not disclosed and minimum qualification is preferably MBA or CA and experience details if you see 2 to 3 years of experience in local market, preferably with some background in credit and sales knowledge is required. Ability to get the customer to buy into the asset proposition, loan amount, rate and fees. And if you see the skill set, roles and responsibilities, you should be able to understand client's business and provide appropriate working capital solutions across fund, non-fund based products like cash credit, demand loan, buyer's credit, LC, BG, etc. You should work closely with the branch banking teams for new customer addition. You should be able to penetrate client with various products like current account, term deposits, transaction banking, trade finance for the primary relationship and group companies. You should be able to build relationships with key persons, CFOs, promoters in the target segments and build client trust and confidence. You should be able to focus to continuously increase the book size and profitability of the assigned portfolio. You should have a strong oral and written communication skills. You should have a relationship management skills. You should have good influencing skills. The candidate would need to handle sales of government products like BL, ODCC as well. To apply for the job role, you have to browse official careers web page of Kotak Mahindra Bank organization given here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.